Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're setting sail on a virtual tour of absolute luxury yacht, the Flying Fox. This incredible mega yacht launched in 2019 from the renowned Lursen shipyard. At a staggering 136 meters long, the Flying Fox is a true giant of the seas. Designed by Espen Oino International for the exterior and Mark Berryman Design for the interior, this vessel promises an unparalleled level of comfort and style for its lucky guests. Let's dive a little deeper and see what kind of opulence awaits on board the Flying Fox. Now, the Flying Fox isn't just about size, it's about exceeding expectations in every way. The exterior design is both elegant and graceful, with flowing curves that accentuate its impressive length. Sea terraces and a massive after swimming pool create the perfect environment for soaking up the sun and enjoying the beautiful scenery. Step inside, and the Flying Fox continues to impress. Mark Berryman Design has crafted a contemporary interior with a calming atmosphere. Neutral tones and luxurious finishes throughout create a sophisticated and inviting space. But the true extravagance lies in the amenities. Imagine having not just one, but two helipads for ultimate convenience. Movie buffs will love the onboard cinema, while the elevator ensures effortless access across all decks. For those seeking relaxation and rejuvenation, the Flying Fox boasts a sprawling two-deck spa, complete with a gym, sauna, hammam, and dedicated massage area. And for complete peace of mind, the yacht is even equipped with a fully functional hospital and a decompression chamber. With all this and more, the Flying Fox truly sets a new standard for luxury yachting. Would you set sail on this magnificent vessel? Let us know in the comments below. But before we dive fully in the adventure of this monster, there's one thing of intrigue to explore: the mystery of its ownership. There was a lot of speculation surrounding the Flying Fox when it first launched, with many media outlets claiming it belonged to tech giant Jeff Bezos. However, Amazon quickly denied these reports, and it turns out Mr. Bezos has his sights set on a different kind of vessel, a massive sailing yacht currently named Koru. So, who does own this magnificent mega yacht? Well, the answer remains somewhat shrouded in secrecy. Several reports suggest that the owner could be Russian billionaire Dmitry Kamenschik, known for owning Domodedovo Airport, one of the largest in Eastern Europe. While this hasn't been officially confirmed, it does add a touch of exclusivity to the already impressive Flying Fox. Whether you're a yachting enthusiast or simply enjoy a glimpse into the world of the ultra-wealthy, the Flying Fox is undeniably a marvel of design and engineering. What do you think? Would you vacation on a yacht like this? Share your thoughts in the comments below. All right, dreamers and yachting aficionados, let's take a moment to imagine ourselves actually setting foot on the Flying Fox. We've explored its design, its amenities, and even the mystery surrounding its ownership. But what would a typical day aboard this luxurious vessel be like? Picture yourself waking up to the gentle rocking of the waves in your plush, ocean view stateroom. After a leisurely breakfast on the private balcony, head to the expansive sun deck for a refreshing dip in the infinity pool, or perhaps a spot of paddleboarding. The crystal-clear waters beckon, inviting you to explore hidden coves or simply bask in the warm sunshine. Feeling a bit more adventurous? No problem. The Flying Fox boasts a full suite of water toys, from jet skis to sea bobs, for an adrenaline rush on the waves. As the afternoon sun dips towards the horizon, indulge in a pampering massage at the two-deck spa, or unwind with a workout in the state-of-the-art fitness center. Later, gather with friends and family for a gourmet dinner prepared by the yacht's private chef, followed by an evening under the stars watching a movie in the onboard cinema. The possibilities for entertainment and relaxation are truly endless on the Flying Fox. Imagine evenings spent sharing stories and laughter over cocktails on the deck, or simply losing yourself in a good book curled up in a secluded corner. No matter how you choose to spend your time, The Flying Fox guarantees an unforgettable experience, catering to your every whim and desire. Of course, a trip on the Flying Fox wouldn't be complete without exploring the breathtaking destinations it can take you to. Imagine cruising the crystal-clear waters of the Mediterranean, the Caribbean, or even venturing further afield to exotic locales. The world is your oyster when you're aboard the Flying Fox. Discover hidden coves, pristine beaches, and vibrant cultures, all from the comfort and luxury of your own private paradise. So, while the Flying Fox may not be attainable for most of us, it certainly doesn't hurt to dream. Would you trade your everyday life for a week on this magnificent yacht? Let us know in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe for more luxurious yacht explorations. Now we've talked about all the incredible amenities the Flying Fox offers, but what about the living quarters? After all, a luxurious yacht deserves equally luxurious accommodations. The Flying Fox boasts a total of 11 stunning suites, designed to accommodate up to 22 guests in the lap of absolute comfort. Imagine you and 21 of your closest friends or family members enjoying a private escape on this magnificent vessel. Each suite is a masterpiece of design, offering breathtaking ocean views, plush furnishings, and the latest in-room technology. But the crown jewel of the Flying Fox's accommodation is undoubtedly the master suite. This private sanctuary features a king-size bed, a dedicated study for catching up on work, and the ultimate indulgence, his and hers bathrooms. Imagine soaking in a luxurious bathtub with a panoramic ocean view, or stepping into a spacious shower for an invigorating start to your day. The Master Suite truly sets the standard for opulent living at sea. Whether you're relaxing in the privacy of your suite or enjoying the company of loved ones in the spacious common areas, the Flying Fox's guest accommodation ensures an unparalleled level of comfort and luxury. With attentive staff catering to your every need, you'll feel like royalty aboard the Flying Fox. So, while setting sail on the Flying Fox might be a fantasy for most of us, it's a delightful fantasy to explore. What kind of special touches would you add to your dream yacht suite? Share your ideas in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more luxurious yacht adventures. We've unveiled the stunning design, the world-class amenities, and the luxurious accommodations aboard the Flying Fox. But what truly sets this mega yacht apart is the unparalleled level of comfort and entertainment options it offers. Imagine curling up with a good book in the yacht's elegant library, or catching the latest blockbuster in the state-of-the-art movie theater. For those seeking pure pampering, the onboard beauty salon offers a full range of services to keep you looking and feeling your best. Feeling a bit more active? The Flying Fox boasts a well-equipped gym for a refreshing workout, followed by a relaxing soak in the jacuzzi. And when it's time to connect with the crystal-clear water, the expansive swimming pool and dedicated beach club provide the perfect platform for swimming, sunbathing, or indulging in a variety of water toys. But the Flying Fox isn't just about sunshine and splashing around. For those with mobility concerns, the yacht features full wheelchair accessibility and an elevator for effortless movement between decks. And for those who simply can't be disconnected, there's high-speed Wi-Fi and satellite communications to keep you connected to the world if you choose. As the sun sets, creating a magical ambiance, the underwater lights illuminate the water below, transforming the Flying Fox into a glowing oasis on the waves. Imagine enjoying a delicious al fresco dinner on deck with the gentle sound of the ocean as your soundtrack, followed by an evening spent stargazing under a breathtaking night sky. The Flying Fox truly redefines the concept of luxury yachting, offering something for every guest, from the thrill seeker to the relaxation connoisseur. Whether you crave indulgence, adventure, or simply a chance to unwind in unparalleled comfort, the Flying Fox delivers an unforgettable experience. Imagine yourself on a private island excursion, exploring hidden coves teeming with marine life, or simply soaking up the sun on a secluded beach. The Flying Fox opens a world of possibilities, catering to your every whim and desire. Now, all this luxury and leisure wouldn't be possible without the impressive power and performance driving the Flying Fox. This mega yacht boasts a robust build with a steel hull and aluminum superstructure, offering a perfect balance of strength, weight, and space. The full displacement hull ensures exceptional stability, guaranteeing a smooth and comfortable ride even on choppy waters. At the heart of the Flying Fox lie twin MTU engines, churning out enough power to propel this vessel effortlessly through the waves. While cruising at a comfortable speed of 15 knots allows for fuel efficiency and a relaxed onboard atmosphere, the Flying Fox can reach an impressive maximum speed of 20 knots when needed. But perhaps the most impressive aspect of the Flying Fox's performance is its incredible range. With a massive fuel capacity, this yacht boasts a range of up to 6,500 nautical miles. Imagine the possibilities. The Flying Fox allows you to explore distant corners of the globe, island hopping across the Caribbean, or embarking on an extended adventure through the Mediterranean and beyond. Truly, the world is your oyster aboard this magnificent vessel. So, the Flying Fox isn't just about luxurious accommodations and entertainment. It's about powerful performance that opens up a world of possibilities for exploration and adventure. Imagine cruising through crystal-clear waters, discovering hidden coves, and soaking up the sun in some of the most breathtaking destinations on the planet. The Flying Fox takes you there in style and comfort. Of course, owning a yacht like the Flying Fox is out of reach for most of us, but that doesn't mean we can't dream. So tell us in the comments below, what exotic locations would you explore if you had the Flying Fox at your disposal? And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more incredible yacht journeys. All right, dreamers and adrenaline junkies, let's shift gears and dive into the world of water fun available on the Flying Fox. Because let's face it, what's a luxury yacht without a toy shed full of amazing gadgets to enjoy? Prepare to be exhilarated. The Flying Fox boasts a treasure trove of water toys guaranteed to get your heart racing. Soar above the waves with a flyboard or test your balance on one of the 3 TY sailboats. For the need for speed, there's a fleet of jet skis just waiting to be unleashed. And if you prefer to be towed along for the ride, there's a collection of thrilling towable toys for some laughs and white-knuckled fun. But that's not all. If you crave a more classic water sport experience, there are water skis and kite surfers at your disposal. And for those who want to explore the underwater world, the Flying Fox comes equipped with top-of-the-line scuba diving equipment, ready to whisk you away on an unforgettable aquatic adventure. Imagine swimming alongside vibrant fish and coral reefs, or discovering hidden shipwrecks teeming with marine life. The Flying Fox provides everything you need to create unforgettable underwater memories. And for those seeking a luxurious way to explore the surrounding waters, there are 6 tenders, including a massive 12.5-meter compass limo tender. These tenders allow you to reach secluded beaches, visit quaint harbor towns, or simply enjoy a leisurely cruise around the coastline in unparalleled comfort. The possibilities for water-based fun are endless aboard the Flying Fox. Whether you're a seasoned thrill-seeker or a curious explorer, this yacht caters to every aquatic whim. So, if you ever find yourself on the Flying Fox, be sure to take full advantage of the incredible water toys and tenders at your disposal. Imagine jet skiing across a turquoise lagoon, exploring a hidden cove teeming with marine life, or simply relaxing on a secluded beach with a refreshing cocktail in hand. The Flying Fox is your gateway to a world of yachting adventure, limited only by your imagination. All right, adventure seekers, what water activities would be at the top of your list if you were cruising on the Flying Fox? Share your must-try toys and experiences in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more luxurious yacht explorations. Wow! What a journey we've taken together aboard the magnificent Flying Fox. From its awe-inspiring design and world-class amenities to its unparalleled performance and range, this mega yacht truly redefines the concept of luxury yachting. Imagine yourself indulging in unparalleled comfort, exquisite cuisine, and personalized service while exploring some of the most breathtaking destinations on the planet. The Flying Fox promises an unforgettable experience that will stay with you for a lifetime. And the best part? The Flying Fox is available for charter in some of the world's most sought-after cruising grounds, including the Mediterranean and the Indian Ocean. Imagine setting sail on a luxurious adventure through the turquoise waters of the Mediterranean, exploring the vibrant cultures and historical treasures of this iconic region. Or perhaps the allure of the Indian Ocean beckons, with its pristine beaches, exotic wildlife, and hidden coves waiting to be discovered. No matter what your dream destination, the Flying Fox's highly experienced crew is there to ensure an exceptional level of service throughout your voyage. They'll cater to your every whim and desire, ensuring your time on board is nothing short of magical. From attentive housekeeping to gourmet chefs and knowledgeable water sport instructors, the Flying Fox's crew is dedicated to making your yachting experience truly unforgettable. So if you're looking for the ultimate luxury escape, the Flying Fox might just be your dream yacht. While chartering a vessel of this caliber might be out of reach for most of us, it certainly doesn't hurt to dream. Hey, maybe one day we'll all win the lottery and be cruising around on our own Flying Fox. In the meantime, let us know in the comments below what your ideal yacht vacation would be like. Would you explore hidden coves or soak up the sun on secluded beaches? Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed this virtual tour of the Flying Fox and hit that subscribe button for more luxurious yacht adventures coming your way. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next episode.